Hello and welcome. The Watertight Geometry Workflow in Ansys Fluent Meshing is a guided workflow designed to quickly mesh any clean watertight geometry through a step-by-step process of simple intuitive inputs. The first step in the workflow is import geometry and is the focus of this course. We will first start with understanding how to prepare the geometries to successfully import them into the Watertight workflow. Here, we will discuss aspects such as check geometry, fluid volume extraction, and more. Next, we will go through the steps needed to import a CAD geometry into the Watertight workflow. We will explore the different settings such as separate zones by and custom faceting in detail. Finally, we will look at how to import either surface or volume meshes into the Watertight workflow and understand the options and nuances of this approach. Using the provided files, you get to learn hands-on by following along with the lecture slides. I am sure you cannot wait to get started. Let's go.